The DJI O4 Air Unit series has been leaked, both the Pro and Lite versions. In this video, I'll share with you everything we know about them. The specs, the expected price, and release date. Let's get into it. Starting from the regular O4 Air Unit, this is how it will look like. It finally features mounting screws on the actual VTX, without needing to 3D print a mount or fixing it with zip ties. Moreover, it now also has a heatsink at the bottom, hopefully fixing overheating, a micro SD card slot, and finally dual antennas. These were all pretty essential things that the O3 still didn't feature despite the very high price point compared to competitors. Let's move on to the camera. The sensor is slightly bigger, upgraded from 1 on 1.7 inches to 1 on 1.3 inches. However, we still don't have any information about the resolution and video formats, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel to be updated on all the leaks. The price of the O4 Air Unit could be and most likely will be higher than the O3 given the amount of upgrades, but we'll see when we have more detailed information. Let's now move on to the O4 Lite, a smaller and lighter version, made for cine hoop frames and hopefully even tiny whoops. However, by looking at the images, it seems like the hardware is different from the O4. It doesn't have a micro SD slot. There's only one antenna, which is a pretty common type in small FPV drones and not really powerful. And finally, the camera also looks much smaller compared to the O4. All of this combined with the naked design, it surely means it's meant for small builds. However, we still don't know how small it will be, so I'm not sure it will fit in tiny hoop frames. We will surely have more updates in the next few weeks, since the O4 Air Units will be released in the first months of next year. More specifically, according to JasperEllens, the release date is set for February 2025. But this is not the only product coming out next year. There's also the Mavic 4, the Flip, the Mini 5, and many more. So subscribe to be updated and drop a like if this video was helpful.